This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that currently attacks many Mac computers. This scam comes from the site tonyshop.xyz. This pop-up scam claims to be somehow related to Mac support. And these fake alerts also quote this fake Mac support number +1 808 755 4006. Keep in mind that this is a mistake to actually interact with these pop-ups. They are totally fake and not related to Mac support. So don't actually trust anything that these pop-ups tell you. This telephone number is real, but on the other hand, it is also a fake Mac support number, not related to macOS or Apple. So don't interact with these pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest. By the way, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to make you call this fake Mac support number. If you call it, they may try to connect to your computer remotely and they may even damage the system even more dramatically. And then they may demand from you to pay money to get it fixed. So don't trust these pop-ups, they are fake and not related to Mac. I recommend that you carefully examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and begin thoroughly investigating your computer in order to identify and remove all other threats that could possibly remain on the system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.